Hi, Ashley here, founder of Oak & Ash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the BEKA Yarn Swift. This is the BEKA Yarn Swift. It comes with 2 long bars. These are the bottom bars and they help support the dowels. 2 short bars, and these are on the top. They hold the dowels in place. 4 dowels, a center support beam, and the base that spins similar to a Lazy Susan, and then a top knob with 1 washer and then 4 rubber feet. So the first step is putting the bottom bars on, and you've got one with a big notch and one with a smaller notch on the top side. So you fit those in with the smaller notch on the top, and then you set that on, and you'll take the center post and screw this on until you get far enough down where you can fit it nicely into the square here. And then you need to continue tightening it, turning the base until it's nice and tight and snug. You have your 2 top pieces that have the notches, and just like on the bottom, you want this inner square part to fit on top of here. And then you'll take your washer and your knob, and you'll want to put this on and tighten it, but not too tight, because you want to be able to then fit the dowels in. The next step is to place each of the dowels into the bottom hole, then slipping it into the top hole, and do this for each of the 4 dowels. Just tighten that all the way and make sure it's snug. So now it's all together and you're ready to wind your yarn.